so having the right camera can completely change your vlogging experience. So in this video, I'm breaking down the top 5 best vlogging cameras so that you'll never have to suffer through low-quality videos again. Now, the issue is that a camera, it might work great for one person, but might not be the best for you. And that's just because most cameras are not made with the same people in mind. So that's why I made sure to include options for really all types of situations. So regardless of what you're looking for, I'll have the perfect vlogging camera for you. All the links to find the best prices on all of the cameras mentioned in this video are going to be in the description below. The GoPro HERO 9 stands out as a great vlogging camera with its high 5K video recording, rugged and waterproof build, hyper-smooth 3.0 stabilization, live streaming capabilities, and 20-megapixel photo quality. The HERO 9 packs a stunning punch with its 5K video resolution. Now this delivers crystal clear footage with breathtaking detail. Plus, with hyper-smooth 3.0 stabilization, the HERO 9 provides buttery smooth vlogs, even in the roughest conditions. With Time Warp 3.0 technology, you can record time-lapse scenes on the road, on foot, or on any travels with ease. Now with its rugged waterproof design and wide range of mounts and accessories, you can take this camera anywhere and capture every moment from every angle. It can be submerged up to 33 feet of water to ensure that it can deliver incredible footage, even if your vlogs take you underwater. Now, the HERO 9 can easily live stream up to 1080p on social media. You can even use the hyper smooth stabilization even while you broadcast. Now, it also has a fantastic 20 megapixels to provide crisp and pro quality photos. And with super photo technology, the HERO 9 automatically picks all the best image processing for you. Now, the GoPro HERO 9 stands out with its 20 megapixel photo quality, super photo technology, rugged and waterproof design, 5K video resolution, and hyper smooth 3.0 stabilization. So for those who are wanting a powerful vlogging camera that can capture all your epic moments, the HERO 9 might just be the right fit for you. Kodak Pixpro WP-Z2 is an affordable and waterproof vlogging camera that stands out with its 1080p Full HD video recording, 16-megapixel BSI CMOS sensor, digital image stabilization, and user-friendly interface. The WP-Z2 is built to withstand whatever you throw at it, waterproof, shockproof, and dustproof design. So whether you're hiking in the rain, snorkeling in the ocean, or skiing down a snowy slope, you can trust the WP-Z2 to capture every moment, and that's rain or shine. Now with its 16-megapixel BSI CMOS sensor, the WP-Z2 really allows you to capture stunning 1080p Full HD video and vibrant stills with ease. Plus, with features like digital image stabilization and 4x optical zoom, you can count on the WP-Z2 to deliver smooth, clear footage, and that's even in challenging conditions. Now, in terms of usability, the WP-Z2 is a breeze to use, and that's with its intuitive menu system and easy-to-access controls. And it has Wi-Fi compatibility, which makes it incredibly easy to connect to your smart device to upload and share your footage. Now, the Kodak Pixpro WP-Z2 is an incredibly affordable vlogging camera that combines rugged durability, user-friendly design, 16-megapixel BSI CMOS sensor, and digital image stabilization technology. And for those who are wanting a blend of affordability and great quality, the WP-Z2 might just be the right vlogging camera for you. And if you guys like this video or learned something, please go ahead and give it a like. And also make sure to smash that subscribe button, and be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on all of the cameras that have been mentioned in this video. That's all, till next time. The GoPro HERO 11 is a fantastic vlogging camera thanks to its amazing 5.3K resolution, advanced image sensor, rugged and durable design, and hyper-smooth 5.0 technology for advanced stabilization. Now, the GoPro HERO 11 features an advanced image sensor that provides an expansive field of view and gives you an extra-large canvas for all of your filming needs. Now, with its advanced image sensor, the HERO 11 boosts the photo resolution up to an amazing 27 megapixels, which is fantastic for all kinds of stills that you want to capture on your vlogging adventures. The HERO 11 has an incredible 5.3K resolution that delivers crisp, clear footage that gives you 91% more resolution than 4K. So whether you're filming action-packed adventures or scenic landscapes, you can count on the HERO 11 to capture every detail with incredible clarity. The GoPro HERO 11 has a rugged design and versatile mounting options. With a water-repelling lens cover, the HERO 11 is prepared for whatever weather that you find on your adventures. Plus, with its compact and lightweight design, you can easily take it with you wherever you go. It also has HyperSmooth 5.0 technology that improves stabilization to ensure that you never feel like you miss a single beat of your travels. Now, the GoPro HERO 11 is a fantastic vlogging camera that offers an incredible 5.3K resolution, 27 megapixel photo resolution, a rugged design, HyperSmooth 5.0 technology, and an advanced image sensor. So for those who are looking for a camera that can help you create stunning content for your audience, the HERO 11 might be the right option for you. The Sony ZV-1F stands out as a high-end vlogging camera with its 1-inch image sensor, wide f2.0 aperture lens, built-in 3-capsule microphone, and fantastic vlogging features like its slow and quick button and active mode image stabilization. The Sony ZV-1F has a powerful 1-inch image sensor and wide f2.0 aperture lens, allows for crisp, clear footage with vibrant colors and excellent low-light performance. Plus, it allows for true optical bokeh, which means that its lens can render out of focus points of light with ease. With active mode image stabilization, the ZV-1F helps to minimize image blur from handheld shooting for steadier and more reliable shoots. It has a slow and quick button that allows you to easily capture moments in slow motion or at faster speeds for those dramatic scenes without having to worry about editing it later. And for those who are wanting to showcase products, the ZV-1F has a product showcase setting that allows it to focus on the product and make them the focal point of your shots. Now, in terms of audio quality, the Sony ZV-1F has a built-in 3-capsule microphone and windscreen. You can capture clear and natural sound without any external accessories. Now, it's a great bonus for those who don't want to have to worry about having speakers with them while they are on their vlogging adventures. The Sony ZV-1F is a fantastic vlogging camera that really impresses with its 1-inch image sensor, built-in 3-capsule microphone, a wide f2.0 aperture lens, array of vlogging settings like active mode and product showcase setting, and if you're wanting a high-end vlogging camera that doesn't have that high-end price, the ZV-1F might just be the best choice for you. The DJI Osmo Pocket 3 shines as a compact and flexible vlogging camera. Now, this offers 4K video recording, 1-inch CMOS sensor, 3-axis mechanical stabilization, active track 6.0 technology, and stereo recording. Now, the Osmo Pocket 3 is incredibly compact and lightweight. This makes it easy to carry with you wherever you go, as it can easily fit into your pocket. It has a 2-inch touchscreen that easily rotates for both horizontal and vertical shooting, which is great for all kinds of angles. Now, the Pocket 3 has a 1-inch CMOS sensor and records in an impressive 4K resolution at 120 frames per second. With 3-axis mechanical stabilization, the Pocket 3 ensures that you can capture smooth and steady footage, and that's even while walking or moving. Plus, with active track 6.0 technology, the camera automatically follows your subject. With D-Log-M and 10-bit color depth, the Pocket 3 records up to 1 billion colors and achieves incredible visual effects during post-production. Now, it also has stereo recording that captures high-quality sound and easily enhances your video audio without the need of external speakers. Now, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is a fantastic vlogging camera that features a pocket-sized design, stereo recording, 1-inch CMOS sensor, 4K resolution, 3-axis mechanical stabilization, and active track 6.0 technology. So if you're looking for a high-quality vlogging camera that's built for all your travels, the Pocket 3 might just be the best pick for you.